How to fix PS4 Error NP-33318-8. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS4 Error NP-33318-8. First of all, to get the best experience from SharePlay, you and your friend will need a high-speed internet connection. The surrounding conditions of the home network of each player may also impact the connection. As a guide, a minimum connection speed of at least 2 Mbps is recommended. To check your upload speed, please check with your network service provider. Tips to improve your network connection for your PS4: it is recommended that you use a LAN cable to connect your PlayStation 4 system to the network. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, place the PlayStation 4 system and the router closer together, and make sure there are no obstructions between them. Other devices on your network might be using a large amount of bandwidth. Wait until they have finished. Check the connection status of the PS4 in Settings Network Test Internet Connection.